In the heart of the universe, a star shines, powered by nuclear fusion. Hydrogen atoms collide, merging into helium and releasing immense energy. This is the sun's power, the engine of life.
Imagine harnessing the sun's power on Earth. Fusion energy mimics the sun, offering a clean, limitless power source by using hydrogen to create helium with minimal waste, releasing immense energy. It's a promise of sustainable energy independence.
To achieve fusion energy, nothing is better than fusing tradition with advanced technology. Groidence's expertise
And Rolfkin's innovation form the perfect synergy for a sustainable future.
At Groidence, we blend 250 years of steelmaking tradition with innovation. Our green steel, crafted with 80% less CO2 emissions, paves the way for a cleaner future.
Rolfkin transforms ideas into reality with cutting-edge project management and design solutions. We push the boundaries of innovation as the leading manufacturer of complex forgings, backed by extensive expertise in materials science and mechanical processing. We ensure every project meets the highest standards.
Together, Groidence and Rolfkin forge a powerful alliance, crafting the framework for a world where energy is green, reliable, and boundless.
This partnership brings together the strength of steelmaking, forging, machining, quality testing, and documentation, promising a future of unprecedented energy solutions. We pave the way for the future powered by fusion with precision technology that is specifically tailored to the industry's demands.
As the dawn of fusion energy rises, so does our commitment to a sustainable tomorrow.
This is our vision, our promise, hand in hand, powering the future where energy is limitless and innovation merges with tradition to define the path ahead.